Virginia.
Yeah.
What's going on?
So I think for the past 2 years I've had really like that like neck pain, shoulder pain, like upper back. It just feels like tense, like I can't relax.
Okay.
And also my hips, they just kind of like lock up sometimes.
Anything happen? Any traumas, accidents, anything like that?
No.
I'm seeing you're a student.
Yes.
Studying, got things to do, some stress.
Yeah.
Before that, any sports, anything like that?
Yeah, I ran for like 6 years, cross country, and played soccer for like 10.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's just now top.
Mm-hmm.
How often are like a headache or a migraine?
I'll say I get them like 2 to 3 times a week.
Headaches a week?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awful.
Mm-hmm.
How long has that been going on for?
A few years now. I try to go probably like 3 years because I went to a neurologist and try to get it all sorted out, but they're still pretty frequent.
Any relief with anything or no? Like what have you tried for them?
Just medication, like the migraine relief, prescribed and over the counter.
Okay.
But it just
not happening. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Okay. Bring that arm up. Bring the other arm up. You can relax your arms. Okay. Go face down again for me, please. Okay. From here, I'm going to stabilize on the sacrum. I want you to raise your right leg up for me as high as you can. Any pain with that?
No.
Good. And relax that side. Raise the left side for me. How did that left side feel?
Pretty good.
Okay. No pain on that one? Good. Okay, right's pulling a little shorter now after doing that. What I'm going to have you do, I want you to lay on your side and face me this way. Good. And then I'm going to have you flip to the other side. And then I'll have you lay on your back. Here, I want to do those leg pulls, so I just want you to relax one leg at a time here. Relax, relax. Bring your hands up on top of mine, good. Lean back. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Perfect. And I'll have you take a seat right here. Okay. Take a deep breath out and out. Already cleared there. Perfect, and then you can relax right there from it. Deep breath in and out. What did you feel?
I feel like everything just went like apart. Felt good though.
Let me take this out, just relax.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, catch your breath. So how was that? First time ever getting adjusted?
Yeah, that felt good. I mean, I've watched your videos before and I was really looking forward to the Y strap, and yeah.
Not too bad though, right?
Not bad at all.
How are you feeling?
Good.
How's the neck? You move around a little bit for me.
A little sore, but I think it's good.
Ton of movement today.
Yeah.
Good. In the low back?
Yeah. No pain or anything.
No pain at all?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Quick question. Where do you have soreness at?
Right there.
Oh, right in through.
Yeah, right there.
Like right in through here? Okay.
Right here.
Both sides, like there and there. Sit for me.
Okay.
Pull your hair forward here. Bring this arm. Yep, just like that. And then we'll switch arms here. stand up.
Much better.
Feeling better now?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, just had to kind of relax that a little bit. And
Yeah.
once I got that to relax that a little bit more,
Uh-huh.
just finish off with that last little bit left.
Yeah.
But perfect.
Cool.
Feeling better now?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, thanks.
This is how you need to be feeling. So, today, like I always tell everyone, just kind of relax, no heavy lifting, increase the water, keep me updated, let me know how you're feeling,
Okay.
email, and we'll go from there.
Alrighty.
Perfect.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.